Hey everybody, quick video. And one of the things that I want to bring to you is this one is missed a lot. Um, Even though that there is a Looney Tunes video, the real point to this is qualitative. And how do we measure that, right? Like with Bugs Bunny and with, I think it was Yosemite Sam having that stated, I think it was even listed as Elmer Fudd, even though it was Yosemite Sam. Let me know if I'm right or wrong. But, you know, we're watching something, right? So, how do we code that behavior? So, then you also have to have an operationalized definition for that. So, what does aggression mean to you, right? So aggression means to me the act of hitting, right? Yours could be the attempt to hit, right? So those are our operationalized definitions. And if we ran this study, right, our operationalized definition can change our data. So, you know, for me, what this assignment really boils down to is how do we code it to place it into statistics so that we can get the final result, remembering that empirical data is really what science is looking for. So, I mean, if you really even think about it, Jane Goodall with the gorillas, she observed, but she had to have some style of statistical value, to place. Oh, I observed this. Well, you know what? I observed this. There's a big difference between what you see and what I see. But if she codes it right, such as with this one, you can use like, tally marks. So you have an operationalized definition, right? And I got mine. So I'll tell you what mine is, the actual act of hitting. So I tally mark all the times that bugs hit, Yosemite Sam. And then I put it in here, and it shows that he was maybe being aggressive. Yours could be, the attempt to create aggression. And you may get a completely different result. So your tally marks will be different from mine based off of that operationalized definition. And that's why it's big. And this is also going to help you for your final as well, because you have to have that operationalized definition, which is what does it mean to you? A lot of times people will hit me with just a definition of stress, but what does stress mean to you? How are you going to operationalize this? So this is the reason for the video, because a lot of students miss this. And it's just basically about coding. How are we going to code this? Like if you and I were both psychologists, right? And we're examining a client observationally, how are we going to code that data? Because guess what? We can't go look at the videos every time, especially if we have over 150 videos. I mean, that's just very time consuming. So those are just some of the things that I want you to talk about, and I hope this video helps. And I'll talk to you again soon, okay?